Hello, my name is Ian Lamont, and I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. And today I'm going to show you a very useful trick to basically save time. And this involves YouTube. And this is the website that everyone uses to watch videos. Some people spend hours on it every day. And regardless of whether you're watching a short video like this one, it's only 3 minutes and 38 seconds long, or maybe a longer one that's 20 minutes long like this one down here, or one that's even over an hour, this is a way to really save time by speeding up the video. And maybe you don't even know that's possible, but it is, and it's quite easy to do whether you're using YouTube on a browser or using it on an iPad or using it on your phone. This is how you make it go faster. First, let's listen to this video at the normal speed. This is an author of one of our first books, and she's talking about a feature of LinkedIn at the normal speed. Here's what it sounds like.
Today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly group all your contacts on LinkedIn into separate categories.
So you can see that, or hear that she's reading at a very normal speed, but if you want to speed it up, this is what you do. You go to the settings icon. This is it looks like a little gear. It might have HD over it, which means for certain videos it means that you can see it in high definition. Just click it, and you'll see there's a bunch of different settings. The one that you want is speed normal. Now that means that it's playing at the normal speed, but you can speed it up by clicking on it, and then selecting one of these numbers. And I'll tell you what they mean. If it says 1.25, that means the speed will be 1.25 as fast as the normal speed. 1.5 means it's 1.5 times faster than the normal speed, whereas 0.5 means it's half as fast as the normal speed. And let's see what that sounds like. Let's choose 1.5. And let's play the video again.
So that's easier to find them, but also to send them more relevant messages directly to them instead of to your whole group. So to do that, you can log into LinkedIn and go to...
So already you can hear that she's speaking much faster, and basically what YouTube is doing is taking out the pauses in between each one of her words and then basically letting it play. So her voice is not getting higher pitched like the old Chipmunk TV series or movies. It's actually just removing the pauses between the songs to make it sound 1.5 times faster. And you can actually go faster than that. The fastest possible speed, if you scroll down to the bottom of the list, is 2. Let's quickly listen to that and hear what it sounds like.
Network, and then contacts. And if you've been using LinkedIn at least for a little bit of time, you probably have a bunch of contacts, hopefully from different areas of your life. For example, people that you knew in college.
So clearly that's pretty fast, and maybe some people will even have difficulty understanding what she's saying because it is so fast. But if you wanted to move through a video quickly, just to either get the gist of it or to maybe identify the most important parts, this would be a very good way to do it because you can just quickly go through a video. A 3-minute and 38-second video playing at 2 times the normal speed will be half as long. So instead of being 3 minutes and 38 seconds long, it will actually go through it in 1 minute and what would that be? It would be 1 minute and 48 seconds or something like that. So that's clearly saving a lot of time. And conversely, if you're having trouble understanding what the person is saying, maybe because the narrator is not really enunciating his or her words, or you wanted to go back and listen to something more carefully, you can slow it down, which makes it easier to understand. So I'm going to slow Milani down to 0.75, which means 75% of the normal speed. And let's hear what that sounds like.
From former jobs, from your current company, and so on. And the easiest way to...
Now that's a little bit too slow for me right now, but if I needed to really understand what she was saying, or she mentioned something that I didn't quite get it, I might go back, slow down the speed, and then play it back at a 50% or 75% normal speed to understand what she is saying. So to get more useful tips and tricks, how do you get the most out of technology, whether it's Dropbox or Google Drive or LinkedIn or Twitter or whatever, check out the guides. They're available at in30minutes.com, and I hope to see you soon.